Are you tired of looking in the mirror and not seeing the flat belly you've been dreaming of? Do you want to feel lighter, healthier, and more confident in just 2 weeks? Stick around because I'm about to share a step-by-step plan to help you shed that stubborn belly fat in just 14 days. This is not a crash diet or an impossible fitness routine. It's a science-backed, sustainable way to slim down and feel great. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to achieve your goal. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with a reality check. Belly fat isn't just about aesthetics, it's about health. Excess belly fat, especially visceral fat, is linked to severe health risks like diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation. But here's the good news. Belly fat is also one of the most responsive areas when it comes to diet and exercise. And trust me, the changes you'll make in these 14 days will kickstart a transformation you never thought possible. Did you know that drinking water at the right times of the day can turbocharge your metabolism? Yes, something as simple as staying hydrated can help you burn more calories and reduce bloating. And don't worry, we'll get to that in detail in just a moment. So how do you lose belly fat fast? It all starts with what you do the moment you wake up. Your morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. The first thing you need to do every morning is drink a glass of warm water with lemon. Lemon water kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and preps your digestive system for the day ahead. But here's the twist. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra metabolic boost. This small addition can make a massive difference in how your body burns fat throughout the day. Next, dedicate just 5 minutes to a quick stretching or yoga session. This not only gets your blood flowing, but also helps reduce stress, which is a significant contributor to belly fat. Cortisol, the stress hormone, encourages fat storage around your abdomen. So by managing stress, you're directly targeting that stubborn fat. Have you ever wondered why some people eat so much and never gain weight? Their secret lies in their metabolism, and I'll show you how to mimic their habits to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Keep watching because this next part is a game changer. Now, let's talk about your diet. Forget the myths that tell you to eat less or starve yourself. The key is eating smarter, not less. For the next 14 days, your focus should be on foods that are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. Think scrambled eggs with spinach, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, or a smoothie loaded with spinach, avocado, and a scoop of protein powder. Protein not only keeps you full, but also boosts your metabolism because it takes more energy to digest than carbs or fats. For lunch and dinner, fill half your plate with colorful vegetables, a quarter with lean protein like chicken, fish, or tofu, and the last quarter with complex carbs such as quinoa or sweet potatoes. Add a drizzle of olive oil or sprinkle of nuts for healthy fats, which are essential for your body to burn stored fat. And here's a pro tip. Include a small portion of fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, or yogurt daily. These foods improve gut health, and a healthy gut can make it easier to lose belly fat. Want to supercharge your fat loss? Add apple cider vinegar to your meals or drink it diluted in water before bed. It balances blood sugar levels and reduces fat storage. But don't take it straight. It's too strong and can harm your teeth. Always dilute it. Now, let's move on to exercise. The right kind of workout can accelerate belly fat loss like nothing else. You don't need hours at the gym, just 20 to 30 minutes of the right exercises. Focus on high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Studies show that HIIT burns more fat in less time than traditional cardio. Here's a simple routine you can try at home. Start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Move on to 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Follow it up with 30 seconds of burpees. Rest for 30 seconds, and repeat the cycle 4 times. AIIT not only burns calories during the workout, but also keeps your metabolism elevated for hours afterward. Pair this with core strengthening exercises like planks, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches, and you'll start noticing a flatter belly in no time. If you've been doing endless crunches, hoping to get abs, stop right now. Spot reduction is a myth. The key to a flat belly is reducing overall body fat, and that comes from a combination of diet, full body workouts, and consistency. You might not realize it, but what you do at night is just as important as what you do during the day. Lack of sleep increases cortisol levels, making it harder to lose belly fat. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night. Here's a sleep hack. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light from your phone or TV disrupts melatonin production, the hormone that helps you sleep. Instead, wind down with a book, meditation, or calming music. You'll not only sleep better, but also wake up feeling refreshed and more motivated to stick to your routine. Imagine waking up 2 weeks from now, slipping into your favorite jeans, and seeing how much better they fit. Picture the confidence you'll feel knowing you've taken control of your health and achieved something amazing. That's the power of this plan. We can't talk about losing belly fat without mentioning hydration. Water is your secret weapon. It helps your body burn fat, reduces bloating, and keeps your energy levels high. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water daily. For an extra detox boost, try infusing your water with slices of cucumber, mint, and lemon. This simple drink helps flush out toxins and keeps your metabolism firing. Another drink to include is green tea. It's packed with antioxidants and compounds like EGCG that specifically target belly fat. Drink 2-3 cups a day for the best results. I know what you're thinking. Can I really stick to this for 14 days? The answer is yes. Take it one day at a time. Small changes add up to big results, and by the end of 2 weeks, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Losing belly fat fast requires commitment, but it doesn't mean perfection. There will be days when you slip up, and that's okay. What matters is that you get back on track the very next meal or workout. Remind yourself why you started. Whether it's to feel healthier, look better, or simply prove to yourself that you can do it, keep your goal in mind. Visualize your success daily. It's a powerful motivator. And there you have it, the ultimate 14-day plan to lose belly fat fast. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and watch your body transform. Remember, this isn't just about the next 2 weeks. It's about setting the foundation for a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Let's crush this journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.